In the vibrant, bustling city of Glasgow, Scotland, where colourful murals brightened the sides of buildings and the sound of bagpipes sometimes drifted through the air, lived three best friends, Prisca, Peter, and Paul. Prisca, with her cheerful tartan scarf and a smile as warm as a freshly baked scone, loved to dream up exciting activities. Peter, always ready with a clever idea, was a whiz at building imaginative contraptions from cardboard boxes and finding the perfect gadget for any situation. And Paul, with his cozy knitted hat pulled down low and a giggle that sounded like the gentle lapping of water on the River Clyde, was a fantastic storyteller and loved to fill every moment with laughter and fun facts. One dreech, that's Scottish for drizzly. Saturday morning, while huddled in Prisca's cozy living room filled with art projects and board games, they decided they needed a burst of sunshine indoors. Let's have a Grand Popcorn Pancake Palooza, Prisca announced, her eyes sparkling with mischief. Imagine towering stacks of golden pancakes and huge bowls overflowing with warm, salty popcorn. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.